Everybody, greetings and welcome to Kinesiology 3346. I am your instructor, Dr. Brooks. It is towards the end of, it's actually the last day of June, getting this course ready for you. I am still officing from home, so this is my wife's office that I've turned into my own. I hope you enjoy this course. Make sure you take a look through the syllabus, write those dates down. Almost every date is on a Friday, with the exception of the last week, because that final exam block it's forced on us. I don't have the option of giving you things to do on Friday. So make sure you look through that. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer emails or hop on a Zoom with you. I'm looking forward to working with you. It's going to be fast and furious, y'all. Buckle up, because the summer is it's a jet plane ride. We move fast and furious from day one. So don't get behind. Stick with it. And if there is anything I can do to help, don't hesitate to let me know. Thanks a lot. Brooks signing out.